Vice President Kashim Shettima says despite preparations, the severity of the floods in Maiduguri is most catastrophic in over 3 decades in the state capital. Shettima stated this during an on-the-spot assessment of the ravaging floods in Maiduguri, Borno State. He said the impacts of the flood exceeded estimation but assured that the federal government will prioritize the welfare of the affected communities. President Bola Tinubu had directed Shettima to immediately visit Maiduguri to access the devastating flood in the state capital. Shettima said, as with other states facing similar crises, the government is resolute in mobilizing all necessary resources to ensure the safety and support of affected persons. He commended the government of Borno State for its swift and effective response to this tragic situation.
Shugaban kasa ya tura ni musamman na zo ne muku jaje bisa ga abin da ya addabe mu. Insha Allah za mu hada karfi da karfe. Ita Borno State Government da Federal Government da NEMA the National Refugees Commission, inshallah the North East Development Commission za mu dauki duk matakan da ya cancanta a dauka a share hawayenku. Akwai hakkinku a kanmu, kuma hakkinku nan shine mu ga cewa mun tallafa muku. Kun yi imani cewa wannan masifan daga Ubangiji ne, kuma inshallah Allah zai share hawayenmu. Allah ya ba mu zaman lafiya. Allah ya ba mu bunkasan arziki, Allah ya ba mu haɗin kai.